French defense is one of the three most played responses to e4 for many reasons. Let's see how it plays out. With this, beginners are highly unlikely to fall into the scholar's mate. At this point, white can go in four main directions: the advance variation, the exchange variation, the Steinitz variation, or finally, the Tarrasch variation. Let's discuss the advance variation. Black's goal is to pressure the base of white's pawn chain, while white works to reinforce it. Black increases the pressure, forcing white to do the same. Now let's move back and try another variation. The Steinitz and Tarrasch variations are very similar. As black threatens white's d-pawn, white may choose to move the knight to c3 in Steinitz or to d2 in Tarrasch. White moves additional support, black increases the pressure. Now let's move back and try the final variation. Here's the exchange variation. As before, black threatens white's d-pawn, but this time white decides to take the black pawn, forcing an exchange.